Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the sharpness on your XIAOMI Smart L1 projector. To do it, click on the settings. Of course, we are speaking about picture sharpness because also your image may be not sharp because you have focus set wrongly, but we're not speaking about that sharpness. For that, you'll need to adjust the focus in settings, and there is a video on it. But here we're adjusting the picture sharpness, which you can do in picture. Once you click on the settings button on your remote, you'll find sharpness, and now you can adjust it like that. And that is basically it. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.